I won't tickle you. I won't tickle you. I got you. I'm gonna tickle you. One more time. Okay. Was that funny? Smile for the camera. 1, 2, 3. Smile, Drew. Let Mama take your picture. Well, let me see your teeth. Can you say hey to Sissy? You say hey. Put your finger down. Say hey, Sissy. Hey. That was sweet. Can you say I love you, Sissy? Yeah. She loves you too. Yeah. Okay. Say bye, Sissy. Say bye-bye. You say bye-bye. Okay. We love you, Alex.